Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own intro. Just a new project. I'm just going to click Need for Speed and I'm just going to deselect them. Keep this one though, and you just click Start Project. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to name it Int for intro. There you go. And then since you can't delete this yet, so you have to add, then you're going to add a screenshot. You can search up screenshots like backgrounds and stuff. I personally like this Need for Speed one. Or there's a bunch of others. There's Eclipse, there's Cloud, there's Fire, and then there's all your other screenshots and stuff. But I'm going to use this one today. So add screenshots. And then depending on how long you want it for, you just click X, and then you can square I mean, and then you could clone it if you want like a 10-second intro, but personally I only want like a 4 or 5 second intro, so I'm just gonna where is it? I'm just gonna keep it 1. Okay, now from here you're going to split it every 1 second or so. Okay, there we go. Confirm. I'll have it like there, just so it's. Why won't it let me? There you go. Okay, confirm. And then from here, you can just delete that. Perfect. Okay, now you have these short little clips like that. Okay. Now, from here, I'm just going to add an overlay, and then I'm going to have texts. And my personal favorite one is this one down here, and the biggest it can go. And you just do. I'm just going to put in my username. Just be warned, if you want to have a full intro, like a full intro where it's just one word the whole time, don't split your clip. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it there, and then I'm just gonna click transform, have it over here, just click L2 to curve it a little bit, have it about there-ish. Yep, that's exactly where I want it. I'm just gonna do text effect. I'm gonna go down to my personal favorite, this one. Okay. You can add just text animations like where it fades in and stuff. Yeah, and you can layer it and stuff. You can change the colors. You can change how long it's there for. Okay. And then in my next clip, look, see how it just disappears? Yeah. I'm gonna add another one, and then I'm gonna have it say man, and then do that. Want it for roughly 1.1 seconds. Have it there. I'm just gonna click transform, have it about there-ish. Okay, yep, that's a bit more centered. There we go. I'm just gonna tick that, change the effect, have it like this, and then that's the way I want it. And then this one, I want to add in another one that says eat. Done with that, I need to change the effect. There we go. And I'm just gonna move it over here, about there. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna click circle again, and then I'm gonna go here, add. I'm gonna add another overlay, and this time it's gonna say my full username. Pickleman yeet. There we go. And I want that for there. Transform, have it about there-ish. Bit too much angle there. There we go, that's perfect. I just needed to edit edit this. Pop that down to there. Good. I'm gonna add another one and have it about there this time. I'm gonna have it say leave a like and subscribe. No, I don't want it to say that. What just happened? Leave a like and subscribe. Perfect. I'll have it there for a second as well. Text effects. I'm going to have this one also green. There's plenty of text effects, so you don't have to have it. It's the same one as me. And you can just move it. Oh, whoops. Let's move it down to here. Don't copy my intro, guys, because, you know, it's for my YouTube channel and stuff. So it'd just be weird if you had my one. Yep, you can change the text animation, so like if it fades in, I'm pretty sure I've already said that, but meh. There you go, just like that. You can also add something like this, where it like bounces it, like shakes the camera, bounces it, beats, focuses in on something. Stomps as in like falls quickly. Drift as in like drifts out or drifts sideways or something. Pulse, I think it just quickly zooms in and out. Not zooms in, but like zooms in and out real quick. I'm not going to use any of these. But yeah, okay. And from here, I'm going to add some music. You can add a track like you speaking or something. Or you can add music. I'm gonna add music because I think it's kind of better. I really like Gone Tomorrow. Yeah, you get but there's plenty of others. There's this. I hate Club Valkyrie, but that's also pretty cool if you're going for like if you're like an alien gamer, I guess. And then there's Escape. That's a bit too calm for my kind of YouTube vibes. Then here's the one that I used in that video a while back, where I was in a fight. Here you go. Yep, then there's Lucid Dreams Remix. Beyond the Back. And then there's yeah. And then there's Accelerated Instrumental. Beautiful Day. Taking Over. Oop, Savers. My Generation. One More Minute. I'm pretty sure I used this one in my Minecraft video. Then there's Run the Table. Make some noise. Danger Room. That one's pretty good. And the Circus Mouth. This one's kind of like a what is it? Cowboy kind of theme, I guess. If your username was like the Cowboy or something. Bombs Away. Pretty heavy kind of guitar playing. There's rock kind of vibes. And then there's Not a Machine. More kind of heavy rock vibes. Burn It Down. That's kind of like a pretty electronic kind of music. Anyway, I'm gonna use Gone Tomorrow. It sounds like this. If yeah. Anyway, but I don't want it this 5 minutes long. I only want it for about 10 seconds or less. So I'm just gonna click trim, and I'm gonna go to around about there. And I'm gonna have about that long. If that's too long, yep. How too long is it? About 3 seconds? Yeah, 3 seconds. And trim it by 3 seconds. Let's see, is that spot on? A little bit off. I'll add a bit more time onto that. Is that good enough? Let's give this a little here. No. That. Okay. Wait, does it go? I need to add a bit longer on that music. Trim music, make about there. I need to cut it off at exactly 5-ish seconds, so 3 seconds again. Okay. 2, 3. Let's give that a little listen to. I just need to get rid of that little. Could I delete it? Maybe. No, I'll have to edit the music down just by like minuscule second. Let's see, is that high enough? Fair enough. Yeah, that's perfect. And there you go. There's your intro to your YouTube video. And there you go. You could add in, look, see. That's just my timer going off. And then from there, you can just add in your videos. But I'm just gonna save this little bit here so that I have it to add to. Wait, I need to save video. Wait. Okay, so that I have it to, you know, I guess you could say, use in other videos. Yeah, so I have it to use at the start of all my videos. There you go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you found this useful. Bye.